Today we will explain results about proportion. First result, invertendo. If A ratio B as C ratio D, then P ratio A as D is to C. This property is known as invertendo because here first A, second B, first is to second as third is to fourth. Here second is to first as fourth is to third. Since A upon B is equal to C upon D, this implies that 1 divided by A upon B is equal to 1 divided by C upon D. If we will divide both sides, if we will divide 1 from both sides, then we get 1 divided by A upon B is equal to 1 divided by C upon D. This implies that 1 into B upon A is equal to 1 into D upon C. Here, this division sign changes into multiply, then A upon B will become reverse and C upon D will become reverse. Then we get, it implies that B ratio A is equal to D ratio D is to C. This property is called invertendo. Now, second result is alternando. What is alternando? If A ratio B is equal to C is to D, then A is to C is equal to B is to D. Since A upon B is equal to C upon D, this implies that if we will multiply the both sides of equality by B upon C, then we get A upon B into B upon C is equal to C upon D into B upon C. This implies that this B and this B is cancelled and this B and this B is cancelled. This implies that A upon C is equal to B upon D. Since here B and C are altered, therefore this property is called alternando. Now the third result is called componendo. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A plus B is to B is equal to C plus D is to D. This property is called componendo. How will you get this result? If A is to B is equal to C is to D, this is equal to A upon B is equal to C upon D. By adding 1 in both sides of equality, we get 1 plus A upon B is equal to 1 plus C upon D. This implies that B ones are B plus A means A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. This property is called componendo. Now, the fourth property is dividendo. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. This property is called dividendo. By subtracting 1 from both the sides, we can get the result. Since A upon B is equal to C upon D, subtracting 1 from both the sides, we get A upon B minus 1 is equal to C upon D minus 1. This implies that A minus B, by solving this, we get A minus B upon B, and by solving this we get C minus D upon D. This property is called dividendo. If componendo is equation number 1 and dividendo is equation number 2, then by dividing 1 and 2, dividing equation number 1 by 2, we can get the fifth result, and that fifth result is called componendo by dividendo property. Now you will see here fifth property, componendo and dividendo. Fifth property, componendo and dividendo. Dividendo. If dividing equation number 1 by 2, we get A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. When you will divide this equation by this equation, then B and B will be cancelled and D and D will be cancelled. Then you will get A plus B in the numerator and A minus B in the denominator. Similarly, C plus D in the numerator and C minus D in the denominator. This fifth property is called componendo and dividendo. Hence, all these properties is over. Thank you very much.